A lot of people are struggling with these first couple ones on this assignment, mostly because they are designed to get you used to the formula. You're not actually fully calculating the volume of these things, and people are having a hard time wrapping their brains around them. So I'm going to show you how it's done. So we have the volumes of familiar solids, cones, and cylinders, right? And it says, write an equation to determine the volume of the rectangular prism shown below. Well, we know that the volume is equal to the base times the height. And we know that the base is the bottom of this thing, and it's going to be 8 millimeters times 6 millimeters. And then the height is just h. Like, we don't know what the height is. It's just h. So the volume is equal to 8 times 6, which is 48. And then times the height, whatever that height is, millimeters cubed. If we find out what the height is, we can put that into the formula and calculate what the total volume is. But right now, we just have that. So let's do this next one. We have the volume is equal to the base times the height. The base is 10 times 8. 10 inches times 8 inches equals 80 inches squared. The height is 8 inches. So the volume is equal to 80 cubic inches. Let's do this one. The volume is equal to the base times the height. So the volume is equal to 6 centimeters times 4 centimeters times the height, which is just 8 centimeters. 6 times 4 is 24, so we have 24h. Centimeters times centimeters times centimeters is cubic centimeters. Flip over, and we'll do this next one. Write an equation for volume in terms of the area of the base. Well, I just did that like 3 times, over and over. The volume is always equal to the base times the height. So let's do that with a cylinder. We need the volume of the cylinder. So the volume of the area of the base, so volume is still going to be base times height, but now the base is a circle. So the area is going to be pi r squared. So pi is 3.14, the radius is 4, and we're going to square it. That means we're going to multiply it by itself twice. And then times the height, which is h. We don't know what h is, right? 4 centimeters times 4 centimeters times 8 centimeters. So I'm going to need a calculator for this one. I didn't need that for the others, but I'm going to go ahead and use a calculator here. So I have 3.14 times 4 times 4 is 50.24. 50.24 times h, I still don't know what h is, centimeters cubed. Hope that helps you out.